In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your login history on a Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, head over to menu, then tap Add Gear to go to the Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down until you find Activity Log. Here it is. Once you get into Activity Log, tap Add Security and Login Information, and then tap Add where you are logged in. It will show you all your Facebook login information, including the exact date, time, and IP address. And then if you would like to delete some history from that list, you can just tap Add 3 dots next to it and then tap Add Logout. That's how you can easily clear login history on the Facebook app. If you would like to delete another data from here, just keep doing the same steps. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.